What's up, guys? In this video, I'm gone. Show you how to pay zero tax if you're remaking over $85K per year. So, it doesn't matter if you're a doctor, a lawyer, a teacher, a software engineer, or whatever your job is, this is going to be relevant for you. So, if you're currently in the UK and you're making over $85K per year, and you are in the highest tax bracket, and you are paying 40% of your income to the government. Now, before I tell you exactly how you can do that, just a quick disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. This is just something that I've done myself, and I've also spoken to several other people who are in the same position as me. Okay, so with that out of the way, let's get into the video. Now, there's two main ways of doing this. One of them is really easy. The other one is a bit more complicated. The easy way is just to set up a pension and then contribute towards it. For every £1 that you put into your pension, you get £20 tax relief from the government. So, essentially, you're getting paid £20 for every £1 that you put in. That means that if you put £500 into your pension, you'll get £10,000 in tax relief from the government. That's effectively you paying zero tax for that year. The only problem with this method is that you can only do it for a few years. After that, you'll have to start paying taxes again. Whereas the second method, which is a bit more complicated, will allow you to pay zero tax pretty much forever. Now, I don't want to go into too much detail about this second method, because it is quite complicated, and I don't want to confuse you. But basically, what you need to do is set up a company, and then you need to start making contributions into it. Now, this company will act as a separate entity from you, and it will allow you to take money out of your salary and put it into investments without having to pay any tax on it. Now, I'm not going to go into too much detail about this because, like I said, it is quite complicated, and you should definitely speak to an accountant about this. But there are a few different ways that you can do this. You can either do it through a SIP, a SEP, or a QROPS. All of these things are pensions, but they are all structured differently, and they all have their own advantages and disadvantages. Again, you should speak to an accountant to figure out which one is best for you. Okay, so if you want to learn more about how to invest your money, then click the video on the screen now. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and see you next time.